Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Home Depot Pro ad. It says May 20th to May 27th. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe for more tool reviews, tool deals. And let's go ahead and get started. We got some ladders here. See if I can click on these. We got a 6 feet for $69.99 or $69.96. You got a 4 feet for $66.48. So if you don't need 300-pound capacity, I always look at the capacity on these ladders right there. Obviously, this is a much better deal. It's a 6 feet, for only like $3 more. So obviously, that's a better deal. Gorilla ladders, 4.5 feet, aluminum hybrid ladder, 250-pound capacity, $49.98. Duct tape, $5.97. I'm not gonna go over all these. Let's see. We got some Milwaukee hole dozer general purpose bimetals hole saw kit, 14 piece, $39.88. All right. The first tool that we have, we got the Ryobi 13-inch 11 amp corded electric walk behind push mower. $99. So this is corded, so just keep that in mind. It's always a hassle running that extension cord everywhere. Ryobi 1+1 or 1 plus, 22-inch 18 volts lithium cordless edge trimmer, battery and charger not included, $69.90. So it's a better tool. Got the Eagle 56 lithium cordless power head edger bare tool multi-head edger attachment, $129. Alright, you got the Ryobi Days. If you guys haven't seen my video, see if I can link it up above. Otherwise, just put Ryobi Days tool head 147 and you can find that video. I am shopping at Home Depot on that video and showing you guys what the deals are. But anyways, this the Ryobi Days savings and exclusive Ryobi toolkits, outdoor power. You have to buy this. Ryobi 18 volt in 1 plus, lithium HP. So these are the new ones. A 3.0 amp hour battery, 2-pack starter kit, charger in the bag for $99. And you buy that and you get any of these tools for free. You got a Ryobi 18 volt in 1 lithium cordless high volume power inflator 1.3 amp hour battery, $64.97. You got the radio for $39.97. It is Bluetooth. Ryobi 18 volt in 1 job site plus base multi tool attachment, $69. Got a Ryobi 18 volt in 1 cordless LED workbench or workbench light tool only. Right, the next item that we have, Ryobi 18 volt in 1 lithium ion HP plus or plus HP 6.0 amp hour high capacity battery, $119. Then this is a much better deal, the one with the free tool. Ryobi 18 volt in 1 2.0 amp hour compact lithium battery, $59.99 or $59. It says compact. Looks like a regular battery to me. Not really compact. You got the Ryobi 6.2 amp hour corded 1/2 inch variable speed hammer drill, $49.97. Alright, the next page. You got air compressors, nail guns, air tools. Let's see, special buy. California Air Tools 8.0 gallon 1.0 horsepower ultra quiet oil free electric air compressor, $158.31. So it's California Air. So they're nice compressors there. DeWalt 20 volt max 21 degree cordless framing nailer bonus premium battery pack 5.0 amp hour charger kit, $349. So as you guys know, most of the tool companies are all going to battery operated tools. So even the nailers are actually battery operated now. They still got some pneumatic ones. I'm personally more of a fan of a pneumatic, but you know what? These are starting to roll in, so a lot of us are making the change because you don't have electricity everywhere, and you can't be running that air hose everywhere. So that is an option there now. Got the rigid 21 degree 3.5 round head framing nailer for $199. Rigid 4.5 gallon portable electric quiet air compressor, $299. Got the Husky 20 gallon 1.75 horsepower portable air compressor, $209. Got the rigid 15 degree 1.75 or 1.75 coil roofing nailer, $199. Get the Makita 2-inch 18 gauge brad nailer, $87.54. Pass lot pneumatic 3.5 30 degree master power master plus clipped head framing nailer for $229. Looks nice. Me personally, I like nailers. I like Hitachi, especially if they're the pneumatic ones. For electric, I haven't tried any of these electric ones. I mean, the DeWalt looks pretty nice. But yeah, for the pneumatic ones, you can do DeWalt Precision Point, or you could do Hitachi, Hitachi is a good brand for my personal use or experience. Looks like that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool use, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.